In this guide, I'm going to show you how to play sound on two devices at once on your Windows 11 computer. Now, as far as I'm aware, this is the only method that actually works, and this has been tried and tested. So if you are looking to play sound from, say, for instance, your laptop speakers as well as your headphones, or you're trying to play sound from two speakers at once, then in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. So what you need to do is first head over to an internet browser and head over to a search engine like google.com and just type in the word voice meter, and now that's meter with two E's. Then head over to this VB audio voice meter at the top, and we're simply going to scroll down and select this download button here. Just give that a few seconds to download, and then we can open up the folder. Go ahead and open up the voice meter setup.exe, and then simply press the install button to go ahead and install that onto your PC. Once the application has finished installing, you'll need to restart your system, so go ahead and do that now. Once you've restarted your system, you'll need to head over to the Windows Start menu, search for Settings and click on the Settings window. From the left hand side, select System, head inside of Sound, and then scroll all the way to the bottom here and select More Sound Settings. From the Playback tab at the top here, we need to scroll all the way down this list, and you need to ensure that voice meter input is selected as the default device. So to do that, simply make the selection like so and click on Set Default down here. And once you've changed your default playback to the voice meter input, we can just press OK. Then head back over to the Start menu and launch up the voice meter application. So in order to play sound from two different devices at once, we're going to use these two features here, the A1 and the A2. So the A1 is going to be your main device where you want the sound to be playing out from. So let's select this drop down arrow here, and then just go ahead and select your main output device. For me, this is going to be my laptop speakers at the top here, but you can change this and select your headphones or whatever you want selected. So let's go ahead and select speakers, then close out of this window, and then come over to A2, and this is where you select your second sound output. So for your secondary output, you could select something like your headphones or your AirPods or a second speakers that you have attached. And once you've made your selection, I'm just going to keep mine to my AirPods. I'm going to close out of this window. And now once you play audio out of your computer, that should now play from both your primary and secondary audio. If it's still not working, all you need to do is make sure in this settings window, come back to more sound settings. Just make sure that you have voice meter input selected as the default device here. And as long as you have this selected as the default device, then your audio should be playing out both of your devices. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.